Alright guys, we're going to weld it. You can see the spot there where she broke away. You don't want to just push it back right away. What we're going to do is I'm going to take the welder and we're going to heat this edge up. Because after we do push it back here, in a second, we're not going to be able to heat that edge at all. Now, I can see pretty straight. Now before I add, I'm going to add material. I first want to try to, like any weld, get a good penetration down inside of the two materials so that they bond together. I just don't want to lay a piece of plastic over the top and melt it. When I first try to seal, the reason I'm staying so long in one spot, when I get hot enough underneath, it actually doesn't. Now I'm going to add some material. This comes right with the kit, but if you get some materials that don't bond, you might have to cut off a piece of a fin or something off one of the sides here to put on there to use. So you're using the same plastic. The biggest thing that's like a weld is you gotta get enough heat to penetrate it so that it actually makes a bond. So there we go, guys. That's what we're gonna go with. Let it cool down, put the radiator in, fill it up with fluid, pressure test it, make sure we don't leak. And again, this is the part that gets a clamp that holds it to the car. So this is actually a very important part because that's what makes the radiator stay steady in the car. So that should take care of it. We'll find out. I'll show you a video once you get it in. Thanks, guys.